要雲子睿，好歡迎大家嚟到宣道會大澳幼稚園第63屆畢業典禮。Dear, we have been learning through the kindergarten for 3 years now. Today is a very special day for us, and we want to express our deepest gratitude in the school. 你講得冇錯，我哋好多謝校長同埋老師一直以嚟嘅辛勤教導，除咗教我哋讀書，仲教導我哋彼此相愛、互相幫助。Time flies so fast, and we will soon be moving up to the primary school. We miss our kindergarten and our friends. 係啊，我已經開始掛住幼稚園嘅生活啦，同埋我嘅好朋友啊。但係我哋都唔會辜負學校同埋父母對我哋嘅期望，我就會繼續努力做一個愛神愛人嘅小天使。Therefore, we thank the school for nurturing us. We thank all the guests for coming. We wish you all a happy life with a brighter future. 最後，我哋好多謝學校對我哋嘅培育，同埋各位嘉賓嘅嚟臨。